Hello everybody, my name is Megha. I am from PCS Global Team 2. Welcome to my another video on two-way data binding. Today we will learn two-way data binding. How the two-way data binding works we will see. In one-way data binding we have seen the annotation, we have seen the interpolation method. We have done interpolation method in one-way data binding. And now in two-way data binding we will do the NG model. We will see how the NG model works. See, I have made the package. I have installed earlier because it will take time to install. That's why I have installed earlier. So you have to install the package by ng new two-way data binding. And you have to give the routing, add Angular routing, yes, and CSS, yes. Both you have to give, and here two-way data binding package has been created. Now we have to expand two-way data binding, then SRC, then app. Now here we have got the app routing module, app app HTML, TS module. Now we will go to app module.ts. Here we will make a form module. Let's see how to make a form module. We will make a form module in two-way data binding. Here, where you have written app routing module, you have to give a comma, not a full stop, comma, enter. And here you have to write forms module. See, it is, I think it is not importing. It has not imported. Wait. You have to import the forms module. Okay, I have done there. See, FORMS is forms module. S is also there. You have actually forms module. You have to press Control space bar. See, forms module is coming. You have to import forms module. Here forms module is imported. Now you have to go to app module.ts. App component.ts. App component.ts. Now in app component.ts, you have to import a forms module. You have to import your name and email address. Name and email address. Here where you have written title, after that you have to import name and email address. You have enter your name, enter your email address. You can write your name also, you can write your email address also, but I have written enter your name and enter your email address. Then finally you have to go to app component.ts, app component.html, sorry. Now in app component.html you have to select all and delete all. You don't need that thing. You need different. You need the ng model. See, here this is the interpolation method which we have used in one-way data binding. Title we have given two braces. This is the interpolation method which we have used in one-way data binding, and in two-way data binding we will use the ng model. See, ng model we are using. This is the ng model. This we have to use in two-way data binding. We have to paste this code here. We have given the input type text, ng model title, h2 is the title. Now input type text, ng model name. And you have given the ng model email. Division is name and email. Division is now in name and email. Now we have to run the CD. See, now we have to do the CD part. CD is for the path directory. CD. Then you have to write two-way data binding. Two-way data binding, it's come. Now ng serve. This is the program code. Only this program code you have to write and your two-way data binding will run. But you have to save the code. I haven't saved till yet because I have run the code, then I will save it. See here, first you have to do you have to import the forms module. Here I have import the forms module. Control spacebar if you press, then the option will come and you have to import it. Now in app module.ts, you have to import your name, email address. You can put name, email address, college name, roll number, anything you wish, whatever you wish. I have given the example of two things, name and email address. And now in app component.ts, you have to import that name and email address here. Input type is text. You have to type the input type text, and ng model is the title. You see, ng model in two-way data binding, in one-way data binding, we use interpolation method. Must remember, one-way data binding, we use interpolation method, and in two-way data binding, we use ng model. ng model is used in two-way data binding. Here we have used ng model, and ng model is written in this format. You have to remember the format in which ng model is been written, and your name and email address. Now the program is running. Let's see if the program run, we will able to run the program or not. I think we have to wait for some minute, then the program will run. I think generating browser application bundle, see it's coming. It will be run in few minutes. Till then, you have to do this. You have to write this code only, and that two-way data binding is done. It's a simple code, no need to, only HTML code. See here in app component.html, I have done the HTML code only, the h2 title I have given, input type I have given, div I have given, only this I have written. It's just a simple HTML code. You have to write this as a simple HTML code. And you have to import this form module. Form module importing is very much necessary to import, to give anything in form type. Like we will give, when you create a form, I think you all remember, form is first is the name, email address, what's your full name. This the forms which we are creating, you have to create that in importing forms module. And in app component.ts, you have to import them, like enter your name, enter your email. You have to write this here. You can write your name also, email address also. And in app component.html, you have to just import it by your html page. Now it's running. Let's see what will be the output. You have seen the output of one-way data binding. Now you will see the output of two-way data binding. In your laptop also, see it's run in localhost 4200. Now first we will save the program. We have to go to file. Okay, it's running, something is running. Say now, save all. Save all, generating browser application bundles. Yeah, it is saved. Now we have to go to browser. Now we have to go to browser. Now here we have to write localhost 4200. See, two-way data binding. See, two-way data binding is coming in title. Two-way data binding, enter your name, enter your email address. See, if you remove your name here, yeah, one more, enter your name and email address is also gone. See, Megha I have written. Here is also Megha, here is also Megha. This is the two-way data binding. If you write your email, enter email. If I remove email, enter your. See, here is also enter your, here is also enter your. This is the two-way data binding. This process which we are doing is two-way data binding. This is the simple code which we are doing in two-way data binding, and this is the output of the two-way data binding. Hope you all understand. We will meet in next video. Thank you.